Okay, let's get right to it. This is part two, balancing EQ and IQ. Here's the cosmic truth, folks. It's not an either-or situation. In the grand scheme of things, both EQ and IQ play pivotal roles in shaping our lives. They are not mutually exclusive, but rather complementary forces that, when balanced, can lead to a more fulfilling and successful life. The real magic happens when you strike a balance between EQ and IQ. Imagine it as a harmonious dance where each step is perfectly synchronized. This synergy creates a powerful dynamic that can propel you to new heights, both personally and professionally. Think of it like this. Your IQ is the rocket ship, the raw power and thrust that gets you off the ground and into the stratosphere. It's the engine that drives your ability to solve problems, think critically, and understand complex concepts. But your EQ? That's the guidance system that keeps you on course and prevents you from crashing and burning. It's the autopilot that helps you navigate the often turbulent and unpredictable journey of life, ensuring you stay on track and reach your destination safely. You need the raw brain power to tackle complex challenges, to break down intricate problems into manageable parts, and to devise innovative solutions. This intellectual horsepower is crucial in fields that require deep analytical thinking and technical expertise. But you also need the emotional intelligence to navigate the human side of things, the relationships, the collaborations, the empathy to understand others' perspectives, and the communication skills to convey your ideas effectively. This is where EQ shines, enabling you to build strong, meaningful connections with those around you. The inevitable conflicts that arise when you're working with others can be managed more effectively with a high EQ. It allows you to approach disagreements with a calm and composed demeanor, finding common ground and resolving issues in a way that strengthens relationships rather than damaging them. So, don't get caught up in the debate of which one is better. It's not about choosing sides, but about integrating both aspects into your life. Each has its own unique strengths and applications, and together they form a more complete and effective approach to tackling life's challenges. Embrace both your EQ and your IQ, nurture them, and let them work in tandem. By doing so, you'll find yourself better equipped to handle the complexities of life, from personal relationships to professional endeavors, and watch as they propel you towards success in all areas of your life. Whether it's achieving career milestones, building lasting relationships, or simply finding inner peace and satisfaction, the balance of EQ and IQ can be your guiding star, leading you to a brighter, more fulfilling future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more. We focus on providing valuable, practical, and interesting information that can improve your life.